Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're finally filming together.
Yeah.
As you know, this is Veronica. So we actually decided to do something different today and help you a little bit in this shit situation.
Today we're going to make our own hand sanitizer. So before we start anyway, really important to be washing your hands anyway. This is more of a last resort product, you know, just for your car or something like that. But definitely keep washing your hands. If you can, get your own normal hand sanitizer. If you can, good luck. But this is why we're making this one. It's a really simple recipe, just as a backup as well.
Exactly, so, just to help out a little bit, because if you're in the car, you're going to shopping and you come to your car, you're not going to wash your hands. You can't wash your hands. So this little hand sanitizer will help you out. So if you can buy a real one, as she said, buy a real one. And if you're unlucky like us, just buy these ingredients and create this one.
Yeah. We have 99% isopropyl alcohol, so it's basically pure alcohol.
Yeah. You can buy that at any like chemist or something.
Yeah, like it's kind of like...
We had that from before, so we're going to use that now.
Yeah.
We have this tea tree oil, essential oil. They said you can put any essential oil in it.
Yeah, I guess for like some scent. Then we have aloe vera as well. This is also good for conditioning and hydrating the skin. So what you do is, I'm going to start off with the alcohol. We're going to do 3/4 of a cup of alcohol. So what we have here is our measuring cups. We've got our little mixing bowl and a whisk. And a little bottle as well, so you've got something to put the product in. All right, so before we started anyway, we washed all of our utensils, we washed our hands, everything was washed in nice hot water, because obviously we're making hand sanitizer, so we want it to be nice and clean. But yeah, let's get started. So 3/4 of a cup of the alcohol.
Yep.
So pop that in. Is that 3/4? Yeah. There you go, pop that in your bowl. Alright, 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera.
Aloe vera you can buy at Chemist Warehouse, and this I bought at Chemist Warehouse too.
There you go. 1/4 of a cup of that.
You mix it all together straight away.
Yeah, that goes all straight in the bowl. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
And the last ingredient is 10 drops of essential oil.
So we've got, yeah, tea tree oil.
Tea tree
oil is good. It is antibacterial as well.
Exactly.
So.
And also they said lavender is good.
Lavender, yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's a lot of drops.
That's 10.
Yeah, no, it's fine. That's it. And then we're just gonna whisk it. It's really strong. No, it's a tea tree oil.
What?
It's really strong. Alright. So we just keep whisking.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Alright, I've got a massive headache.
Oof, yeah, me too. I think I got high.
Oh my god, man, something's up.
So strong. I think it's the alcohol and tea tree oil.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll just gonna we're just gonna use it as like hand sanitizer mist.
Yeah.
Let's call it like that.
Quickly, yeah. So strong.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god, I can't breathe this in anymore, man. Here we have it.
Here we have it.
Let's see. Hey.
Yay.
There we go. So yeah, obviously keep washing your hands. If you can use professional hand sanitizer, use it. But hey,
this is just a quick fix that can help a lot.
Fix.
And yeah,
there you go.
There you go. We have two. One for you and one for me. Here are the big one, because you deserve it. Thank you. Cheers. Anyway, thank you for watching. We hope this helped you a little bit. And
yeah.
That's it. Stay healthy, stay smart, stay at home, and take care of each other.
Bye.